Hi everybody, here I will show you how to install MATLAB. So here I have folder MATLAB folder. Double click on the folder and here I have option that is a setup. So this version is MATLAB or 2012B. This is the MATLAB version. So double click on the setup. So it may take a little bit time. Now we have to choose yes. Patience. Little bit. Okay, here you have to choose install without using internet. So click on this and click next. Yes, you want to accept the terms and the sunset limit. Yes. Next. Here I have file installation key. Yes, I have file installation key. So you have to click on this option. And here you can see in this folder I have one more folder that is crack folder. Click on that crack folder. In crack folder, I have one notepad that is a readme. So open this notepad. After that, here you can see I have here serial number. This serial number. So copy, right click, and select copy. After that, minimize this and open this MATLAB installation page. And here Control V or right click and paste. Here you can see Control V. That is the shortcut. You can press this one also. After that, choose next, and here you have to choose custom installation. This option, custom, and click on next. Yes, here you have to click again next. It is asking you to create a folder. The folder name will be MATLAB. Yes, we want to create. Yes. After that, here you can see we have this option MATLAB distributed computing server. This no need, just uncheck this option and click on next. Do you need shortcut on the desktop? Yes, I need. Next. After that, install. It may take 5 minutes. It depends on your computer configuration. It may take some more minutes, maybe 10 minutes also. So you should be you should be patient. So here I am going to pause this video. So when this will be completed, I will show you the next step, what you have to do. Okay, my setup has completed. Now there are some few steps that you have to follow. Okay, here you can see here there is the option again. I have to click on next. Active MATLAB. No, there is no need to activate MATLAB. Just uncheck, and after that click on. So there are few steps more you should follow. After that, you will be able to open the MATLAB. See here, I will show you. If now I want to open this MATLAB, I will not be able to open MATLAB. Because here I have to I have to change something that I am going to show you. Yeah, same thing. So here, no need, just close. Are you sure? Yes. After that, you have to open that folder, that crack folder. In crack folder, there is a folder, my folder. And here in my folder, there is a file. The file name is license.lic. So now you have to copy the file copy, and you have to move on C drive, sorry, C drive. In C drive, just open program files. In program files, there is a folder MATLAB. So open this folder MATLAB. So again R2012B, that is the version of MATLAB. Again open this. So here you have to create one folder. The folder name must be licenses. So I will create new folder. Just right click, new, and here you can see this is the folder. Okay, here I will put the name LICENSES, licenses. Okay, the folder has renamed. Okay, now open this folder and paste the file that I copy from drag folder. Okay, just right click and paste. Continue. Yeah, same file I have pasted here. Okay, after that, close this one. Now open the MATLAB. So now you can see, now I can open the MATLAB. That means my installation installed successfully. Thank you very much.